Hello guys, I'm Michael, the plugin genius from Admix, and today I'm going to be taking a deep dive into the Admix developer platform and showing you all of its cool new features. So let's go. So in the previous tutorial, I showed you around the My Apps page and each section in your app. If you've not yet seen that episode, go and check that tutorial out and then come back to this one. One thing to note about different app versions is that live apps cannot be edited. So what you will need to do is create a new sandbox version of your app if you would like to edit any placements or add any new ones. If you do so, a pop-up will show up saying new app version required during the save placements procedure. This new version will show up on the developer platform just at the top of the sub menus, as you select the app with a drop down menu for a version for you to select from. The previous version of your app will stay live if the user does not update your app. You'll be able to see the reports broken by versions on the reportings page. Let's talk about the reportings page. The developer platform provides very comprehensive analytics and reporting solutions for you to understand how your content is being consumed, giving you insights on how much revenue you have generated, and helping you maximize your future earnings. I will simply break down each section of the reportings page. We have the impressions, so that is the amount of times your ad or ads have generated revenue over a selected period. The net revenue is what is payable to you from these impressions. We then have the uniques, which is a unique number of users that have generated these impressions. Lastly, we have the RPM, which is the average revenue per 1,000 impressions. One thing to keep note is that the data displayed on the developer platform is for the information only, and it may vary slightly for billing purposes, as the data is pulled from our advertising partners. So basically, if you want to, have a general sum, this will be a general sum on this page. Then you can go over to the individual sum, which will break it down for you to see different kind of percentages per day, and then you can go cumulative as well, and that will break it even more down to individual sections for you to be able to see. Now let's move over to the profile page, which is down at the bottom on the left hand side. The profile page is very important for many reasons. This contains important information about your settings and your team management. This page allows you to invite people to your team with 4 specific roles. Underneath the My Teams page, we have the My Profile page. So let's click onto that. This is where you can just enter your username or nickname, whatever you would like to be called. And then obviously, most importantly, we have the payment section, which is just underneath the My Profile. So if we click onto the payment section here you will need to fill out your important information like your address or your VAT number, so we can automatically generate invoices for you at the end of each month. And then lastly, the 4th section on the My Apps page is the appads.txt page. So let's click onto that. This will enable you to generate a file which you can upload to your website and gives Admix the rights to sell your inventory. This is important because the IAB's new set of guidelines for publishers, in effort to reduce advertising fraud. What you will need to do once you have downloaded the file is upload it to your root domain. Just make sure you use the same domain that you use for your iOS or Google Play profile. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching me show you around the Admix developer platform. If there's anything you guys would like to know specifically, let me know downstairs in the comments, or join our growing Discord community full of developers like yourself and the Admix team for more help over there as well. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Sweet.